So you want to generate leads for your website. That's why you clicked on this video. So if you are into a business, if you are a startup, if you are selling some products on your website, basically you might be running Google Ads and you already know how expensive Google Ads can be. It takes a lot of effort, and especially you have to spend a lot of money to just get a handful of leads. And even then, you cannot be sure that those leads are going to convert. Now, guys, don't get me wrong. I have nothing against Google Ads. It's an excellent platform. And honestly, I'm also using it for some of my clients. But if you're someone who is looking to generate leads with your existing website without spending a lot of money, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to use Arvow, an AI powered content writer. Basically, it's a content writer, but it comes with a lot of features. One of those features is lead magnet, which we are going to discuss in very detail. So using that feature, if you have a website, you are already getting some traffic on your pages, you are going to convert those pages into lead magnets. And after some time, you will see, after integrating the Arvow's lead magnet, you will see that you will start getting those leads for like almost free. So Arvow also comes with a free trial. Basically, you can generate 2 to 3 articles, but here we are talking about lead magnet. So you have to purchase a plan. So basic plan starts from around $40. So you can just try it out and play around and see how it performs. And later on, you can upgrade according to your needs. So here you can see under articles, I have generated an article for one of our clients. I'll go to see all articles and then I'll go to generation. So this is the article which I was talking about. So I'm going to click on this. And after that, and click on view and expand the view. So the article is about finding the best pet insurance company in UK, a comprehensive guide. So this is a really high quality of article which Arvow has produced, and basically it has done this in under 1 minute. So it has included table of content and all the structuring is proper. The heading structure is good. It has also included images, tables, and also included internal linking and external linking in the article as well. So basically it's a really high quality of article which is publishing ready. You can directly publish it on your website using this button. Obviously you have to integrate like Arvow to your website for automated integration, but you can also simply download or copy paste it and directly publish it on your website. So now let's talk about the thing that we are here for, the lead magnet. So I have created a lead magnet like for same company, pet insurance. So I'm going to quickly show you a example of how it works. Then I will tell you how you can exactly replicate it for your website and start generating leads. So the name of the lead magnet is pet insurance. And after that, in configuration tab, I have enter a prompt. So basically it's something like which you would put into chat GPT. So it's saying to generate an estimate insurance cost of like a pet based on users input. Then I have placed a input placeholder, check insurance cost for your pet. Now you can change this according to your needs, and then you have to check on this collect emails, because if it is off, you will not get any leads into your lead magnet. And obviously we want users to fill out this and check the estimation, and after, if they like, they can simply enter their email and we will use it later on for our marketing campaign. You can also change this text according to your need. Then you simply have to click on save changes. Then for example, I'll just simply put this here, insurance cost of a bully, and I'll click on load. So Arvow has generated a short response depending upon my query, and it is saying that it generally ranges from $500 to $2,000 annually depending on the provider coverage limits. So it is giving me information depending upon the user input on live basis. So everything is live. It is producing a high quality response that is valuable to the users. So if you are providing value to the user, they are most likely going to end up filling this newsletter. And if they fill their email, for example, I'm going to sign up now. So it's a test email. So it will get captured into this lead section. So this is how you can integrate Arvow's lead magnet into your existing website, into those pages which are getting organic traffic, and you can start collecting data of the users which are like really interested in your product in your website, and you can start a marketing campaign later on. Now, for embedding this into your website, all you have to do is just simply copy paste this small code, and you have to place it into your website, into your blog post, and it will look something like this. Also, this is highly responsive, so you don't have to worry about user experience, and it will automatically adjust according to user screen. So now let's quickly see how you can create a lead magnet for your website. So you simply have to click on create lead magnet. You can name your lead magnet according to your different pages, according to your niche, according to your website, totally depends upon you. Then you have to create a basic prompt. So basically it means that you have to write certain information. So Arvow will generate the response according to this prompt. So you have to carefully input this. So basically I don't know like what your brand is about and like what exactly you want to generate. So basically that is why I'm giving you advice that you carefully take a look at this and try to feed it as information as possible. After that, you can place a input placeholder, basically what this lead magnet is going to generate. For users perspective as well, you have to be really specific about it so that it generates a good result and user understand like what this lead magnet is exactly about. Then you have to place a highly clickable CTA button, and you can use a sign up text, and all you have to do is click on create. Then you can test your lead magnet and start using it into your website. So guys, this is how you can integrate Arvow's lead magnet into your existing website, and you can start utilizing your organic traffic to generate leads and start converting users. And if you like these videos, kindly do subscribe. And I've also placed the Arvow's link into the description and comment of this video, so you can directly click on the link and start using Arvow right away. And you can also check these videos out. And if you like this video, kindly thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next video.